Welcome to our video on how to learn to trade in the stock market. Trading can seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and guidance, anyone can learn to trade successfully. In this video, we'll cover the basics of trading, including terminology, types of securities, and the different types of trading strategies. So whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your trading knowledge, this video is for you. Before we dive into trading, let's start with the basics. What is trading? Trading is the act of buying and selling securities, such as stocks, bonds, and options, with the goal of making a profit. The stock market is one of the most popular places for trading, with millions of people around the world participating every day. To get started with trading, there are a few key terms you'll need to know. The first is a security, which is a tradable financial asset such as a stock, bond, or option. The second is a stock exchange, which is a marketplace where securities are bought and sold. The third is a broker, which is a person or firm that buys and sells securities on behalf of clients. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a closer look at the different types of securities you can trade. The most common types of securities are stocks, bonds, and options. Stocks represent ownership in a company and are the most popular type of security to trade. Bonds are a type of debt security, which means that investors lend money to a company or government and receive interest in return. Options are contracts that give the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a security at a specific price within a certain time frame. Once you've decided which securities to trade, it's time to start thinking about trading strategies. There are many different types of trading strategies, but some of the most popular include day trading, swing trading, and position trading. Day trading involves buying and selling securities within the same trading day, while swing trading involves holding securities for a few days to a few weeks. Position trading involves holding securities for several weeks or months with the goal of making a long-term profit. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to trading in the stock market. We've covered the basics of trading, including terminology, types of securities, and the different types of trading strategies. By now, you should have a solid foundation in trading and be ready to start your own trading journey. Remember,